Hello all, very warm welcome. Today we are looking at another lead code question which is 1704. Determine if the string halves are alike or not. Now this is an easy question in lead code, and what this question says is that we are given a string s of even length, and that's important information. That's in even length, and what we need to do is we need to split it into two halves of equal lengths, and let a be the first half, b the second half. The two strings are alike if they have the same number of vowels. Notice that they contains uppercase and lowercase. Okay. Now question is pretty straightforward, right? What it says is if I have say something like this, A B A, say B C A, if and they've already told us that it's always be even. So if I split in between, this section contains two vowels, this section contains one vowel, it's not alike. However, if this would have been another A, this would have been alike. For that matter, if this would have been E, then this should have been alike, right? Because we are not looking at what vowel is present in both the halves. We are more concerned with the count of vowels which are there in both the halves, right? Question is fairly easy, and considering this is going to contain the uppercase and lowercase both, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring everything to lower first. So I'll do s is equal to s dot to lower, and considering I need to look at okay, what are the count of vowels in the first half, the A half, and what is the count of the vowels in the B half, right? So I'm going to create two lengths. A is equal to say 0. I'm taking the same letter which is given there, is equal to 0. Now what are going to do, right? These are going to contain the count of vowels in the halves, in the respective halves, right? And what is my mid length, which will be s dot length by 2. This is your mid, right? Let me make it mid, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run this array for end I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus, and I'm going to say okay, if this is vowel, I'm going to say si, then I'm going to say okay, if my current index of I is, if I is less than mid, so if I'm inside it, that means obviously it's a vowel, right? So uh, I will say if it is I is less than mid, I'll say my A plus plus, else B plus plus, right? Just correct the alignments here. So if it is a vowel, I'm going to assume that okay, yes, uh, I'm going to check whether it's in the first half or the second half. If it is the first half, then I'll do okay, A plus plus. If it is the second half, I'll do B plus plus. And at the end of the day, if both are equal, I'll simply return true, right? So I'll just do A return A equal to, right? A is double equal to B, right? And I need to check. I need to create this method which is going to check whether it's a vowel or not. Public bool is vowel char C. I'm going to return, say return C double equal to A, or C double equal to E, or C double equal to I, or C double equal to O, or C double equal to U. That's it, right? I hope you have understood this. Let me quickly run this. So what we did is we found out what the mid is. We looked into it. Okay, in the first half, if we looked at each and every character whether it's a vowel or not. If it's a vowel and that index is less than the mid, then I'm doing okay my first half plus plus. If it is greater than the mid, I'm doing the second half plus plus. Ultimately, my first half and second half count should match, right? And I'm getting return true. Let me submit it. It got accepted. Cool. If I talk about time complexity, that would be O of n because I'm iterating through the overall length of the string. And if I took its space complexity, that will be linear because I'm not having any collections to store the values. So this is it, guys. I hope you understood the explanation. I hope you understood the approach. In case you still have any questions, any doubts, please do reach out to me in the comment section. This question is also asked in the April week 2021. So hopefully you can use this to resolve that problem as well. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and please hit the like button if you haven't. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.